Hello children, it is a continuation of exercise 1.1. Now you take the fourth question. -10, -6, -2, 2, so on. To check whether it is AP or not, A1 is -10, A2 is -6, A3 is -2, A4 is 2. Now find first A2 minus A1. A2 is -6 minus A1 is -10. So it is -6 minus of -10. That is equals to -6 minus of minus means that is +10. So it becomes 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then take A3 minus A2. A3 is -2 minus -2 minus of -6, that is A3 is -2, A2 is -6. So -2 minus of -6 is +6 it is. So it becomes 6 minus 2. Again it is 4. Then you take A4 minus A3. A4 is fourth term, that is 2, minus A4 minus A3, that is 2 minus A3 is -2. So 2 minus of -2, that is 2 plus 2 it is. 2 plus 2, minus of -2 is +2. So it is 4. So A2 minus A1 is equals to 4. A3 minus A2 is also 4. A4 minus A3 also 4. So you can write A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. All are equals to 4. So what you can consider here, what you can conclude, as fixed number is added, that is A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to 4. So fixed number is added here. Difference between the consecutive term is constant. So you can conclude it is, therefore it is an arithmetic progression, AP. Then, so let us take the fourth question, that is -10, -6, -2, 2. So on are in AP or not. So you take A1 is A2, A3, A4. So what is A1 here? A1 is equals to -10. Don't take it again. So you take A2 minus A1 only directly. A2 minus A1 is equals to -6 minus of -10. Here A2 is -6, A1 is -10, and it becomes -6 minus of minus plus 10. That is nothing but 10 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 10 means 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2. Minus A2 is minus 6. So it is minus 2 minus of minus 6. Write minus 2 as it is. Minus of minus, that is plus 6, is equals to, that is 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Then A4 minus A3. A4 is here 2 minus A3 is minus 2. So it is 2 minus of minus 2. And it is equals to 2 plus 2. 2 minus of minus plus 2. That is 4. See here, you got A2 minus A1, 4. A3 minus A2 is also 4. A4 minus A3 is also 4. Then you can write what? A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3, and all are equals to 4. So you can conclude that a fixed number is added to get the next number, and difference between the consecutive term is here 4, which is constant. So you can conclude the given list of numbers is AP. It is, therefore it is an arithmetic progression, AP. So if you concluded AP means, again you have to find out the common difference D and the next 3 terms. So D means this 4 only. That is, D is equals to, naturally you are writing A2 minus A1, that is nothing but what? 4. A2 minus A1, that is 4. Common difference is 4. D is 4 here. Next 3 terms, 3 more terms. So up to how many terms they are given? Up to A4 means 4th term. 4th term is given. So to get 5th term A5, A4 plus D. Here, if D is added to 4th term A4, 5th term can be obtained. A5 is equals to what? A4 plus D, that is A4 is 2 here plus D. D is nothing but 4. So it is 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Then next term is A6. A6 means A5 plus D. Its previous term is A5, 5th term plus D. That is A5 plus D. A5 is this one, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Then next term A7. A7 is again A6 plus D. A6 is this one, 10. 10 plus D is 4, that is 14. So the next 3 terms are 6, 10 and 14. 3 more terms are 6, 10, 14. So you consider the 5th one. So the list of numbers are 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. So A1, that is 3, A2 is 3 plus root 2, A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. So to verify whether it is AP or not, first you find A2 minus A1. So A2 is here, A1 is here. So A2 means this one, that is 3 plus root 2 minus what? 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. What is remaining here? Root 2. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is root 2, because this 3 minus 3 cancels it. Next, A3 minus A2 is equals to, A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, here there are two terms, so you write it in the bracket, that is 3 plus root 2. So this is A2 and this is A3, this is A2. So A3 minus A2, that is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2. So here there are two terms, so open the bracket, that is 3 minus of minus 3 minus 3 minus of plus 2 is minus 2. So minus of 3 plus root 2 means minus 3 minus 2. Again here 3 minus 3 cancels. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, it is 2 minus 1 root, that is 1 root 2. Again you got root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2. 2 root 2, here it is 1 root 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 root 2. Next, A4 minus A3. A4 is, that is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, again here there are two terms, you write in the bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. This is A4, this is A3. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Open the bracket. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. If the bracket is opened, sign changes here. Then these three cancels. That is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. This and this. 3 root 2 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is root 2. So here you got A2 minus A1 root 2. A3 minus A2 is also root 2. A4 minus A3 is also root 2. So you can write A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to 2. So what you can conclude? The terms are in AP. Therefore, here difference between any two consecutive term is constant, that is equals to root 2. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So what is D here? D you know. Here D is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, all are equals to root 2. So the D is how much? Root 2. A2 minus A1, that is root 2. Then next 3 terms, 3 more terms. Next 3 terms, here The given last term is fourth term. You must find out fifth, sixth and seventh term. So you write A5. A5 is equals to what? A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. So here, this is A4. Then plus D. D is root 2. Then that is equals to, here you write 3 as it is, 3 plus, these two are the like terms, 3 root 2 plus root 2, 3 root 2, 1 root 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 root 2. So the fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2. Next, A6. A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5 is, got it here. This is A5. Right. 3 plus 4 root 2 plus D. D is root 2. Write 3 as it is plus 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2. 4 plus 1, 5. That is 5 root 2. This is what? Sixth term. Next, seventh term. That is A6 plus D. A6 plus D is, got 6 here. A6, sixth term. That is A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus D. D is here root 2. So you write 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. That is 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 root 2. So the 3 more terms are, therefore 3 more terms are, more terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Next, sixth. Zero point 2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Again you find A2 minus A1. Okay, A2 is 0.22 minus 0.2 is equals to, so you can write here 0.22 minus 0.20 means what you are going to get, that is equals to 0.02. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. So 0.222 minus 0.22. So what you are going to get? 0.002. Here it is 0.02. Here it is 0.00. Are they same? Never. Here 0.02 is not equals to 0.002. It means A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. So you got different value for A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. So no need of going further. So now only you can consider it is not AP. Therefore, it is not AP. No need of finding the other differences here. So in the second stage only you got the different value. So now only you can consider it is not AP. Then seventh, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12, so on. Okay, now A1, A2, A3, A4. Then find A2 minus A1, that is equals to minus 4 minus 0, so it is minus 4. And A3 minus A2, that is minus 8 minus of minus 4 it is. Then it is minus 8 minus of minus plus minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. Here these two are same, minus 4 minus 4. A2 minus A1 is minus 4, A3 minus A2 is also minus 4. So next you get find here. A4 minus A3 is equals to minus 12 minus of minus 8, that is equals to minus 12 plus 8, that is equals to minus 4. So you got in all the cases minus 4 only. Then you can write A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 equals to minus 4. So you got the same value in all the three cases. So you can consider here there is a common difference, and the difference between the consecutive term is constant, as A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to minus 4. You can write therefore it is an AP. Next, what is D here? D, you know, these are only D. So you can write D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is equals to minus 4. Find the next three terms. So which are the next three terms? A5, A6 and A7. So you write A5. A5 is equals to, you know, A4 plus D. A4 is minus 12 plus D is minus 4. Actually it is minus 12 minus 4, that is equals to minus 16. Minus 12 plus minus 4, minus 12 minus 4, that is 4. A6, that is equals to A5 plus D, that is minus 6. So adding minus 4 means you can directly write minus 4, that is equals to, here also you can write like this way, minus 12 minus 4 is equals to minus 16. Then A7. A7 means A6 plus D, that is minus 20 minus 4, minus 24. Minus 20 minus 4 is minus 24. Here in all the cases same signs are there, say minus minus. So you add and put the minus sign. Here minus 16 minus 4, that is add them and put the negative sign. Here also in all the three cases you must add and put the negative sign. Both of them are having the negative sign. So you must add them and put the same sign. Okay, the three terms are three terms are three more terms or next three terms. So let us write. Next three terms are minus 16 minus 20 minus 24.